गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम एमएससी फाइनल ईयर का फोर्थ पेपर टूल्स टेक्निक में आज आपके टॉपिक है चेरेनकोव रेडिएशन। तो चेरेनकोव रेडिएशन क्या होते हैं, उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ क्या है, अकरेंस एंड यूजेस, कहाँ पर ये यूज़ किए जाते हैं। तो चेरेनकोव रेडिएशन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन होते हैं। सबसे पहले सिंपल ये अपन जान लेते हैं कि चेरेनकोव रेडिएशन कहाँ पर कैसे डेवलप होते हैं। व्हेन ए फास्ट चार्ज पार्टिकल्स, फॉर एग्जांपल एन इलेक्ट्रॉन, plunges through a transparent medium such as water or glass, it produces a faint emission of radiation which occur predominantly in the visible and ultraviolet region of the electromagnetic spectrum. This is known as Cherenkov radiation. इनका जो चेरेनकोव रेडिएशन नाम दिया ये है रशियन एक्सपेरिमेंटल फिजिक्स who studied the phenomena in some detail between 1934 to 1938. इन्होंने चेरेनकोव रेडिएशन के बारे में बताया। चेरेनकोव रेडिएशन क्या होती है, अगर विस्तृत से जाने तो यह है चेरेनकोव रेडिएशन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन होती है, इमिटेड व्हेन ए चार्ज particle such as an electron passes through a dielectric medium at a speed greater than the phase velocity, speed of propagation of a wave in a medium of light. In that medium, special relativity is not violated since light travels slower in materials when the refractive index greater than 1, and it is the speed of light in a vacuum which cannot be reached or exceeded by particles with mass. A classical example of Cherenkov radiation is the characteristics blue glow of an underwater nuclear reactor. Its causes is similar to the cause of a sonic boom. The sharp sound heard when faster than sound movement occur. The phenomena is named for Soviet physicist Pavel Krinkov, who shared the Nobel Prize in Physics for its discovery. The radiation is named after the Soviet scientist Pavel Cherenkov, in 1958 Nobel Prize winner, who was the first to detect it experimentally under the supervision of Sergei Vavilov at Lebedev Institute in 1934. Therefore, it is also known as Vavilov-Cherenkov radiation. Cherenkov saw a faint bluish light around a radioactive preparation in water during experiments. His doctorate thesis was on luminance of uranium salt solution that were excited by gamma rays instead of less energetic visible light as done commonly. He discovered the anisotropy of the radiation and come to the conclusion that the bluish glow was not a fluorescent phenomena. A theory of this effect was later developed in 1937 within the framework of Einstein's special relativity theory by Cherenkov colleagues. Iger, Tam, and Ely Frank, who shared the 1940 Nobel Prize. Cherenkov radiation at conical wave front has been theoretically predicted by the English polymath Oliver Hewside in paper published between 1888 and 1889, and Arnold Somford in 1904, but both had been quickly forgotten following the relative theory restriction of super C particles until the 1970s. Marie Curie observed a pale blue light in a highly concentrated radium solution in 1910, but did not investigate its source in 1926. The French radiotherapist Lucien Mallet described the luminance radiation of radium irradiating water having a continuous spectrum. चेरेनकोव रेडिएशन को चेरेनकोव ने डिस्कवर किया और 1958 में नोबेल प्राइज़ मिला। इन 1920 a team of researchers from Dartmouth and Dartmouth Hitchcock Norris Cotton Cancer Center discovered Cherenkov light being generated in the vitreous humor of patient undergoes radiotherapy. The light was observed using a camera imaging system called a CDOS, which is specially designed to view light emission from biological system. For decades, patients has reported phenomena such as flashes of bright or blue light when receiving radiation treatment for brain cancer, but the effect had never been experimentally observed. चेरेनकोव रेडिएशन का बेसिक्स क्या है, ये किस प्रिंसिपल पर कार्य करता है कि यही जानते हैं। वाइल द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन ए वैक्यूम इज ए यूनिवर्सल कांस्टेंट, द स्पीड इन ए मटीरियल may be significantly less as it is perceived to be slow by the medium. For example, in water it is only 0.75. Matter can accelerate beyond this speed, although still less than the speed of light in vacuum during nuclear reactions and in particle accelerators. Cherenkov radiation results when a charged particle, most commonly an electron, travels through a dielectric, can be polarized electrically medium with a speed greater than light speed in the medium. Cherenkov radiation common analogy is the sonic boom of supersonic aircraft. The sound wave generated by the aircraft travels at the speed of sound, which is slower than the aircraft and cannot propagate it forward from the aircraft, instead forming a shock front. In a similar way, a charged particle can generate a light shock wave as it travels through an insulator. The velocity that must be exceeded in the phase velocity of light rather than the group of light. The phase velocity can be altered dramatically by using a periodic medium and in that case one can even achieve Cherenkov radiation with no minimum particles velocity, a phenomenon known as Smith-Purcell effect. In a more complex periodic medium such as photonic crystal, one can also obtain a variety of other anomalous Cherenkov effects such as radiation in a backward direction, whereas ordinary Cherenkov radiation forms a acute angle with the particle velocity. Cherenkov radiation, in their original work on the theoretical foundation of Cherenkov radiation, Tam and Frank wrote, this peculiar radiation can evidently not be explained by any common mechanism such as the interaction of the fast electron with individual atom or as radiative scattering of electrons on atomic nuclei. On the other hand, the phenomena can be explained both quantitatively and qualitatively if one takes into account the fact that an electron moving in a medium does radiate light even if it is moving uniformly, provided that its velocity is greater than the velocity of light in the medium. Emission angle like this, emitted light and angle in the figure of the geometry, the particle red arrow travel in a medium with speed such that make a angle where is speed of light in vacuum and is the refractive index of the medium. If the medium is water, the condition is, since for water at 20 degrees centigrade, we define the ratio between the speed of the particle and the speed of light. The emitted light waves denoted by blue arrow like this, emitted light blue arrow से denote की गई है, denoted by blue arrow traveled at speed. The left corner of the triangle represent the location of the superluminal particle at some initial moment t equal to 0. The right corner of the triangle is the location of the particle at some later time t. In the given time t, the particle travel the distance, whereas the emitted electromagnetic waves are constricted to travel the distance, so the emission angle results in at arbitrary emission angle. Cherenkov radiation can also radiate in an arbitrary direction using properly engineered one-dimensional metamaterial. The latter is designed to introduce a gradient of phase retardation along the trajectory of the fast traveling particles, reversing or steering Cherenkov emission at arbitrary angles given by generalized relation